The rain and floods in Pakistan has affected 33 million people, and more than 1,700 people have died, including infants, children. More than 2 million houses have been damaged, and over 3.5 million acres of crops have been lost. Rose bunni kullu shaja fil ma yani zahma kathir jiddan. Lakin inshallah, bismillah, we will stand on our own feet. We will work hard. We will work hard, inshallah, untiringly. And we are extremely grateful to our brotherly countries and friendly countries, including Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and my very respected brother, my leader, His Royal Highness Prince Mohammed bin Salman, created air bridge between Saudi Arabia and Islamabad and Karachi, sending food items, tents, and other very important items for flood-affected people. We are very grateful to our brothers in Saudi Arabia, and we are deeply obliged for this very timely support. Ladies and gentlemen, as societies place greater premium on sustainability, clean energy is the driver of the new. Looking back, my administration in the province of Punjab was exploring solar power in 2012. We established 1,000 solar power park in Bahawalpur, which is south of Lahore. It is since producing 400 megawatts with spare capacity to generate the balance. As Prime Minister of Pakistan, I am leading from the front for the development of Ashra of 10,000 megawatts of solar power to meet Pakistan's peak load demand. Yani, هذا الكهرباء من الشمس هذا لازم جدا للشعب الباكستان للمعاشي, because when we import oil at these and gas at these exorbitant prices around the globe, Pakistan, which is a developing country, cannot afford to finance the import bill to the extent of $24 billion, $24 billion. Our economy cannot afford. Therefore, we have, alhamdulillah, a lot of sun over there in Balochistan, in Punjab, in Sindh, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So we have launched a program of Ashra Alaf megawatts of Kahraba min al-Shams in Pakistan, and we are upgrading our rail, ports, airways, water, gas, power and digital infrastructure. With a young and growing population, the market is expanding. Our government is encouraging private enterprises to drive the economy. The government is investing in public goods. These too are available for partnership. So public-private partnership. And I would like to propose to my brothers and sisters sitting here from Saudi Arabia and other countries and globally, min al-alam, that here is an opportunity where the world wants to have green energy, where we want to avoid pollution and minimize our problems in the air. And the answer is Kahraba min al-ma, Kahraba min al-shams, and Kahraba and wind power. That is the future. And for that, I'm here standing before you, inviting you to please come forward. And I, as Prime Minister of Pakistan, but at this very, very important forum, I am telling you very frankly, this wonderful gathering and wonderful arrangements has pleasantly surprised me. It has been a wonderful occasion to be here. I've been to such summits and conferences around the globe, but this is Davos in desert. It is a remarkable achievement by our Saudi friends and Saudi corporations and Saudi young leadership headed by Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. My dear friends, my brothers and sisters, Pakistan has many higher educational institutions. Some are recognized internationally. I propose, therefore, that the Future Investment Initiative should consider establishing a satellite center in one of Pakistan's leading universities to explore the rapidly growing Pakistani market and spur innovation among our young people. The satellite could become the center of a network of researchers, innovators, investors, and service providers to harness the capacities which, if optimized, would take Pakistan to a higher level of social and economic development. Ladies and gentlemen, khitaman, Pakistan is open for business. Let me assure you, as the Chief Executive Officer of Pakistan today, that we as a nation are ready to reach out to all of you and entire globe and find potential investors and grab the future with both hands. As the Prime Minister of Pakistan, I am determined to deliver efficient and competent, transparent governance in these difficult times. I ask you to join hands with me, and together let's unlock and unleash our combined energies to carve the future we all want for our coming generations. Thank you very much, and it's a great occasion. God bless you.